All right, everybody. Hey, how you doing? As promised, I am sending you today the file that explains all of the data or information that we need on each of your videos, whether it be a movie, a series, a music video, a trailer, whatever the case is. We need some specific details on each of those files so that when we put it up onto the platform, that it's all organized and that our recommendations algorithm can start, helping viewers to find whatever they're interested in, really. So I have a Word document for now, which I will send to you, but in the future, we're obviously going to streamline this process a little bit more. I have given some very, very, very few number of creators access directly to the platform, or I will be doing that very soon, just because they have a lot of content and I can see they've really shown themselves as reliable in that sense. So for the rest of you as well, if you're consistently posting and doing great work, you're going to have direct access to the Izsit platform as well. Just a couple of updates also on the creative partnership agreement before we get into it. Please, for those of you who haven't signed it yet, please take a read, sign it, and send it back. I got a lot of signatures, since Monday when we sent it out. It's only been 2 days now, but I urge you all, please, to go and check out the agreement and sign it and send it back to me for counter signing, so that we can start moving forward and start uploading content to the platform. It's important for me to upload this content to the platform with all the information, correct information, because it really helps with the recommendations algorithm and also with the development. So I can set up like the playlists and the shelves and everything and do the categorizations between the music videos and the series and the series episodes, and then the of course the films as well, the long form and the short form. So we've got quite a lot of categories, kind of doing something quite different to what exists already on like Netflix and those kinds of platforms. And then lastly, on Friday, I'll be sending out another video, which you can then use to send to your advertisers, because don't forget that in the creative agreement, in the creative partner agreement, whichever advertisers you refer to Izsit, you get a referral on that, and the minimum is 10%, goes up to 90%, but I still haven't figured out exactly how those economics are going to work, so I'm going to have to kind of play that by ear, but at least for sure you're getting 10% referral on whatever the advertiser is spending on the Izsit platform. So if you're making AI adverts for a brand, they are perfect kind of advertisers to have on the platform, where if you're being paid to make the advertisement for them, you can also get referral on the actual advertising off of the Izsit platform. So, this is just another way that we at Izsit, thought of helping the creator to monetize their work in this awesome space that we're in. Okay, without any further ado, let's go straight into the little thing. It's not very long, so let's get started. Okay, awesome. So here it is, really not so complicated. Of course, for movies, we need the title, description, genre, the rating. Is it PG? Is it 18 plus, etc.? We need the names of any specific directors, producers, notable crew and cast. So this is pretty cool. Obviously, most of these names will be you, but in what's we're already seeing from some of the creators is that they're building their own characters that can then be casted in other movies, for example. So this is like some very cool stuff that's going to be coming up in the future, and so we would like to actually make mention of those AI characters that have been casted in different movies, and make mention of them, because those kinds of characters the audience will be able to build a relationship with these different kinds of characters, these AI characters. So this is something I'm very excited about, and we want to make mention of those characters specifically. So if you have a character in your film who you think is really, really cool, think about how you can cast him in other movies, and we will also, as Izsit, be facilitating some of these what should we say, like the networking, so that you can do that with other creators. Okay, cool. We need a trailer. There's some more information about what we need on the trailer down below, and then multiple audio tracks. This is mostly for like different languages, if you're going to do different languages. And then the caption file, that's just the the subtitles and everything. So if you have those, include them. And then just some details. We need the release date as well. So the thumbnail, the vertical one, the pixel sizes, the duration, the tags as well. The rest are all pretty much the same. So obviously with series, we have we have all of the information about the actual series, and then each episode also has its own description and everything. So be aware of that. We need two 2 times the information or something like that. Not actually 2 times, because it's the whole series and then it's each episode. So yeah. So here we got the information about the trailers. It's pretty much the same as any film. And then the music video is slightly different because you have an album and you have the artist or the band or whatever the case is. But we still want to make mention of any directors and stuff like that that are making the film. So that's all pretty straightforward. Again, the multiple audio tracks, the caption file, nothing crazy over there. Cool. Yeah, so I wanted to also mention about the promotional materials. If you want to send me promotional materials, like what you think is the best, like 1 minute of the film, or if you want to cut different snippets together of the film, please send that to us. Also, what's very cool to do is if you do a show reel for your profile, so we might just put on a show reel on your profile. I think I'm going to try to find a way of how to do that, so that when people come onto your profile as the creator, that there's like a show reel, a sizzle reel, but we will use that sizzle reel and show reel also for promotional purposes. So the more of these like 1 minute videos that you can share with us, the more we're going to be posting about you online as well, especially at the beginning where I won't have the time necessarily to make the 1 minute videos myself. So please, if you can send me 1 minute videos for promotional purposes, do that as well. I will use them for all of the social media and marketing and stuff like that. And then last point is about the copyright. Again, please give us all the details about the ownership and licensing of any music and video content and the implications on the revenue sharing. We need to know that information. So that pretty much brings this to a close. I think the last point that I wanted to say, we are pushing so hard to reach our deadline of 16th of November, but honestly, it looks like we might be delayed on that. So I just wanted to let you know that we could be pushing into December. It's not just up to me, it's also up to the app stores and everything. And I have a couple of delays that cost me like a week just yesterday. So yeah, that's kind of how life is. I kind of pushed as hard as I could for the release date of the 16th of November. That's actually my birthday, but it doesn't look like it's going to happen. And I wanted to be open and transparent with you guys about that first, so you know. Awesome. Take care. Next video is coming up on Friday about the advertising and how that works. And it's actually going to be a video that you can send to the advertisers. Awesomeness. Have a good one, guys. Cheers. Bye.